We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John from Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8610 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your drum unit. So if you've been getting a replace drum or drum low warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is we're going to want to lower this front cover. So you'll see a button here on the top right side of the printer. You're just going to go ahead and push down on that button, lower this cover all the way down. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to pull out our toner tray. So pull it all the way out. Once we have that removed, what we're going to go ahead and do is remove the whole drum unit. In order to do that, you're going to see a little tab over here marked number 2 on the left side of the printer. What you're going to want to do is push that to the left until it clicks and stays in open position. And then you're going to grab the number 1 handle, and in the back you'll see a handle marked number 3. You're going to lift up on handle number 1 until it's at about a 30-40 degree angle and lift straight out of the printer. So now we've successfully removed all the toners and drums from the printer. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take all your toners out of your old drum. In order to do that, you're going to push up on from that. You're going to grab the handle of the toner cartridge rather. Sorry. You're going to grab the handle, push up, and then pull straight out. And you can set all these on a clean, dry, flat surface. Okay. And then once you have your new drum unpacked and ready to go, what you're going to want to do is, again, you're going to grab it by the 1 handle and the 3 handle. We're going to go back in at an angle, set it right back in, and then once you have your drum set, you can flip this number 2 tab on the left back down, and now we can reinstall our toners into the new drum. Again, carefully setting them straight down into their slot, and then pull back on the handle until it locks into position. Straight down, pull back until it locks into position. Repeat that for all toner cartridges. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the number 1 handle again, push the toner tray all the way back in, close this front cover, and then now we need to tell the printer that we actually replaced that drum unit. The printer doesn't know we replaced it, so you're still going to be getting that message. In order to remove that message, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the settings button, which is going to be the little wrench and screwdriver icon at the bottom right of the screen. And then you're going to hit the all settings option, which is again is going to be the little wrench and screwdriver option. Now we're going to use the down arrows, and we're going to go down until we find machine info. Click on machine info. And again, use the down arrows until we find the parts life tab. Click on parts life. And now we're going to find the option that says drum. So what you're going to do is click and hold the drum option, usually about 5 to 10 seconds, and the screen's going to change and say reset drum. We're going to click yes. Once you click yes, that'll tell the printer that you've actually replaced the drum. That'll get rid of that message on the screen, and you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.